How to fix Google Pay you reached a payment limit problem. Let's get started. First, understand Google Pay's payment limits. Google Pay sets daily and monthly transaction limits based on your country, account verification level, and whether you have linked a debit or credit card or bank account. These limits include the maximum amount you send, receive, or spend per transaction, the total amount you can transfer or make payments within a 24-hour or a monthly period. Some merchants may set their own limits on how much you pay via a Google Pay. To check your payment limits, open your Google Pay app, head towards the profile icon, then navigate to the option Payment Methods or Settings. You may find a section detailing your payment limits or any specific restrictions tied to your account or payment methods. If you haven't already verified your account with Google Pay, you may be subject to lower limits. To verify, go to Settings in the Google Pay app. Tap Verify Your Identity or Identity Verification. Follow these steps to link your bank account or provide ID verification if necessary. Sometimes the issue is not with Google Pay itself, but with your linked bank or card issuer. If you have reached the payment limit imposed by your bank, contact your bank or card issuer to confirm any daily or monthly transaction limits. Some banks also impose limits on digital wallet transaction for security reasons. So, ask them to lift or adjust the limit if needed. If you have any pending payments or authorizations, they may be reducing your available balance for future transactions. Check for any pending payments in Google Pay or your bank account that may be contributing to the issue. Then you can wait for the limit to reset. Likewise, you can add a new payment method. Add another debit or credit card or bank account to your Google Pay. Use a different payment method to make payments. If none of above steps help, you are facing limits, you can contact Google Pay support. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.